Morning guys. So yeah, I decided to extend my stay the past few days. Hindi ako nakakapag-video kasi hindi naman ako lumalabas ng bahay. Lumabas man ako somewhere near lang, like coffee or anything, pero dito lang sa malapit sa bahay kasi hindi pa naman ako gumagala. Uling gala ko talaga is yung sa Brooklyn Bridge, but now we're going to Queens. Elise and Judy has recital, so yun, manonood sila. Ay naku, gagala ako sa Queens while waiting for them because I don't want to watch the kids show. So yun lang, drive muna ako guys. Hi guys, so yun, medyo basa tayo. Tumakbo tayo sa ulan. So we're here in Queens. Sumabay ako sa kanila papunta dun sa Queensboro Community College kasi dun yung theater ko saan mag-recital si Elise at si Junie, yung mga pamangkin ko sa pinsan ko. And after that kasi we're going to have lunch somewhere. So sumabay na lang ako para at least hindi na ako susunod sa kanila kasi medyo malayo yung area dun sa bahay namin. So ngayon, nasa cafe ako. I found this cutesy Korean cafe nearby, mga 5 minutes away. Nilakad ko lang actually 15 minutes. Yun nga lang umulan. So tumakbo na lang ako. And on the area, I've seen a lot of Korean restaurants, Chinese restaurants, and other stuffs. Like it's all Asian. Sabi nga ng pinsan ko, this is an Asian community. Which is true. Look, facing me is a Samwon-gak, which is Korean name but Chinese restaurant. There's Korean salons and all. So it's all Asian, which is nice. So I'm waiting for them here. Or babalik ako dun sa school kung tapos na yung recital. Whichever is okay. Medyo umuulan pa. No, actually wala nang ulan. Hangin na lang yung nasa labas. That is Lulu and Dino. Naglalakad na ako pabalik guys sa Queensboro Community College kung nasan sila. Though hindi pa naman nga tatapos yung recital, but it's okay. Paano kung dumaan sa Lake Park, yung Oaklands na may lake sa gitna. I'll show you later. Nakita ko sa map, maganda siya and malapit lang siya. Oh yeah. I'm waiting for Alu and the kids. Pumunta tayo, napagod na ako maglakad eh. We're having Korean barbecue guys. Hindi mo dinala yung camera mo. It's a hot day today. There's a lot of Korean and Chinese restaurants over here. Hindi tayo sa Orchard Street. So this is the famous Where Harry Meets Sally. I'm on East Village in Manhattan. Look, it's nice, huh? It's a nice neighborhood for me. Di tayo sure, huh? Pero the way it looks, it's nice. Chill yung vibe. I'm here at East Village Pizza guys, here in East Village. Parang gulo ko talaga mag-camera. So nagbabalik tayo guys. Nagbabalik tayo sa Times Square. back in Times Square.
Make some noise for Italy! Guys, on the line! Keep your head straight! Head straight! Oh no, this guy is short as hell, man!
Nakababa na tayo ng train, guys. So, nandito na tayo sa Rockaway. So, hinihintay natin yung 22 na bus. And, yan, pauwi na tayo. Malapit na lang to. Mabilis na lang. Dito yung Marina 59, may Shell dyan, may Dunkin. And yung mga flats. Ayan, mga flats. Ayan, wow! So, we're here, guys, upstate ng New York. So, province sa may Sullivan County sa Woodburn. So, more than 2 hours away from New York City. So, para siyang Baguio. So, yan. Ganda. So, dito yung rest house nila Ate Maan. So, ito yun. And then, may pool. Somewhere here. Kasi para ito yung community nila sa may pool. Tapos may mga falls and river. So, mamaya, mag-swimming kami. Sila Alu will drive later. Hinihintay pa nila si Lizzie. Look, that's nice. This is the attic room with the balcony overlooking the forest. Let's go down. Ganda ng weather.
Ganda, no?
Yeah. Ganda ng bahay. The master's bedroom. This is the dining area. Parang open lang na isa. Pero may cover. Bibidyo na naman tayo. Simula na naman. We're going to Brooklyn. We're going to walk across the bridge from Brooklyn to Manhattan, and then we'll go shop around Manhattan. Kung may nakalimutan pa tayo mga pasalubong. So yun, wait tayo ng bus. 2 PM na. Nasanay na ako ever since hapon tayo lumalabas. So yun, nasa Brooklyn na tayo, guys. And now maglalakad tayo papunta dun sa entrance ng Brooklyn Bridge, patawid ng Manhattan. So mga 30 minutes siguro yon. Buti na lang hindi na ganun kainat. It's 3 o'clock in the afternoon. No, 3:30 na actually. So yan, lakad na tayo papunta doon. I just got up here, guys. I'm now walking in Brooklyn Bridge, crossing to Manhattan. Crossing the bridge, I'm entering it, and over here is the Manhattan Bridge. down the bridge. So papunta. Ang init guys, napaka-init. We're walking in downtown Soho. Puro shops guys, shopping. There's Prada, Chanel, and all the brands. They're all here. The line is insane.
12 o'clock.